Reverse bay parking is probably the hardest reversing maneuver you can get on a UK driving test. Are you feeling nervous that you might fail your driving test because you get the bay parking? Don't worry, this video is going to help you, show you a step-by-step guide to make sure you smash it every single time. My name is Mustafa. I'm a driving instructor with over 9 years experience, so I've pretty much seen it all. And make sure you stay to the very end of this video because I'll be showing you a simple fix on how to fix the maneuver in case you haven't ended up in between the lines just like how you'd like. Okay, so onto the maneuver. You get taken to a car park and you're told please reverse into any bay of your choice on the left or the right. So first job, checking your mirrors, pick a bay and try and pick one as far down the car park as you can where you're away from all the other traffic. Choose one on the left because it makes your life easier because it lends to a natural angle to reverse to a bay on the left. Pop your signal on and drive around about 3 or 4 car lengths past the bay that you're trying to get into. Stop. Pop it into reverse gear. Make all your observations starting from the right shoulder, building your picture, looking all the way around, looking behind you while reversing and waiting for your reference point. And when we get there, we'll show you. So it's when the line comes into the corner of your window, your reference point has come. So you stop. Before you turn, make sure you have a good look around, so you're still safe to carry on. And it requires a full lock to the left to guide the car into the bay. Every few seconds, keep building the picture, looking around, keep going back, keep going. And then once the car makes it straight in between the lines, you straighten, back up again, and keep the car back until it comes to the end of the bay, which you can judge by looking out your windows or the camera as well. And then you secure the car. And this is when you can check to see if you're inside the lines. So you can open your door and check the mirrors. And this was really important because if you're not between the lines, you've misjudged it slightly. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. But just before I do, I want to request you that if you're enjoying the video and finding it helpful, please remember to hit subscribe so YouTube remembers to reunite us every week when I upload more videos. So now, how to fix it if it's gone wrong? So you basically select first gear or to drive, look around and drive as forward as you can do to recreate as much space as you can between you and the base that you're trying to get into. And then pop back into reverse gear again because you changed gears. Make all your checks and then make the corrections and you can steer left and right as much as you need to generate the angles to get back inside the base. And the more forward you go, the more space you got to make the repair on the way back. Now, that completes bay parking for you, but the funny thing is that bay parking actually is not the maneuver that fails the most people. It's actually parallel parking. So if you're nervous about that one as well, then be sure to check out my video on parallel parking and that will help relieve your nerves and make sure you've got the skills to pass that one as well. Thanks for watching and God bless.